Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see, it is by this brand right here, but let's go ahead and see what my kids think about it.
And then we need 2 blue trains. One like this.
In that wide head.
There's another blue train.
She chose doing asking where you throw it at the target. She said if you throw it at the bullseye, you get a lot of points.
So this is my son, and he built this. He went off the railroad like that right there.
Right here.
And then he built this. What do you think about it?
Cool.
You like it? Is it fun?
Yeah.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.